Hi everyone, today we're making an exotic Indonesian grilled chicken using Kara coconut cream. This is a delicious recipe for you to try out. Succulent chicken cooked in exotic ingredients and the richness of Kara coconut cream, and then barbecued or grilled to perfection. Let's get straight to the recipe. This video is sponsored by Kara coconut products. First, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 8 shallots, 5 large cloves of garlic, 3.5 teaspoons of fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons of fresh turmeric root, 2 stalks of lemongrass, 3 to 4 mild green chilies, 2 Kafir Lime leaves, and half a cup of Thai basil or sweet basil leaves, loosely packed. We'll also be using 1 candlenut, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder that's freshly cracked, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. We're using 1 kilogram of bone-in skinless chicken. Thigh and leg portions are preferred. Start off by making gashes in the chicken with a sharp knife. This is for our marinade to penetrate better. To this, we're going to add the turmeric powder and salt. Rub this well into the chicken pieces and set aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can peel and chop, if necessary, our fresh ingredients. To a small blender, I'm adding the shallots, garlic, ginger, fresh turmeric, lemongrass, green chili, Kafir lime leaves, and fresh Thai basil, along with the candlenuts. And we're going to grind this to a smooth paste. I'm not adding any water. So our fresh paste is ready. Once the chicken has marinated for 30 minutes, we're going to add this freshly ground paste. Rub well into the chicken pieces, and then we're going to set this aside to marinate for a further 20 minutes. Add the oil to a frying pan. A non-stick frying pan is preferred. As the oil heats up, gently lay the pieces in batches. And now we're going to fry as well as steam the chicken together by covering this and cooking on a medium sizzle. Not too long, but just long enough for the chicken to develop some color and for the paste to be cooked. This combined method of steaming and frying helps to lock in the flavors of the ground paste. Although the chicken is seared at this stage, it's only 30% cooked. Now we're going to continue to cook in Kara coconut cream, which is what makes this exotic grilled chicken so succulent and delicious. I've been using Kara coconut cream products for almost 20 years and I love the product. Any leftover product must be refrigerated and used within 3 days, or it does go bad, which is a good thing. It proves to me that no preservative is used. Different size packets come in very handy because you can use according to your recipe. In today's recipe, we're using the 200 ml pack of Kara coconut cream. Add this to a measuring cup. To purchase Kara coconut products online, I've provided the link in the description. To this, add boiled water to make exactly 1.5 cups. Stir this well. Here, our second batch of chicken pieces have developed some color and the paste is cooked and the flavors locked in. Return the first batch of chicken to the frying pan at this stage. Remember that our chicken is not cooked through at this stage, it's only about 30% cooked. Now we can add the coconut cream combined with water to this. Once the coconut cream is added, cover and allow to simmer till the chicken is cooked with a nice coating of that coconut cream sauce. Keep spooning the sauce over the chicken occasionally, making sure that it doesn't burn on the bottom. It will take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes on a low to medium flame to cook well. Make sure the chicken is cooked but still firm and not falling off the bones, as we still need to grill the chicken briefly. Once the coconut cream has reduced somewhat, we're going to add the pepper powder, which is freshly cracked, along with the lime juice, as well as a little bit of extra salt to season. Now that our chicken is deliciously coated with this creamy, rich coconut cream sauce, we can start to grill the pieces. You can do this either on an indoor grill pan with just a little bit of oil, or you can do this on the barbecue. Just lay this on the grill pan and grill briefly to develop a little bit of char marks. It shouldn't take too long, just 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And your exotic Indonesian grilled chicken is ready. The list of ingredients is provided in the description box down below. This chicken is so succulent and so delicious and full of flavor and the richness and goodness of Kara coconut cream. Serve with rice and salad. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.